Nowadays, a lot of people go to colleges and universities to study computer science. If you ask them how computer science is going, they will say it's going well, but programming is difficult. So I often wonder, if there are difficulties in programming, how can computer science be going well? This is a common problem. In this regard, I consider myself very fortunate because I had a teacher during my matriculation who taught me how to approach programming with the right mindset. Once my mindset changed, programming became my love, my passion, and it became very easy and interesting. I often see that programming is taught in the same way as memorization, just like the way we study mathematics. Then students say that programming is not interesting, but if you haven't tried something, how can you say that it is interesting or not? Programming is literally a concept that maps exactly to our real life. Whether it's variables, conditional statements, while loops, for loops, functions, or arrays. When we learn these concepts by mapping them to our real life, programming becomes very interesting and easy. This is also the main target of this goal. So what is programming? Programming is simply a way of communication. Just like we communicate with others in real life, through programming we communicate with computers. When we communicate in real life, we use Urdu or English, but when we communicate with the computers, we use programming languages such as Java, C++, or C#. So the question arises, how important is the programming language? Think of this way, there is a Chinese cricket team that needs a bowling coach from Pakistan. They have two options, a Chinese professor who teaches Chinese in Pakistan or Wasim Akram. Who will they choose? Obviously, Wasim Akram. Even though he doesn't know Chinese, at least Wasim Akram knows what to communicate and which instructions to give. Similarly, programming is not just about learning a language, but it's about learning the concept of how to instruct a computer to solve a particular problem. Once you learn these concepts in a good way, you can convert them into any language within a few days. The reason why we are using C# in this course, number one, we need to use some language. Secondly, it is very close to other languages such as C++, C, Java, and JavaScript. So if you learn C#, the transition will be very easy. It is also a better option for me because I am in game development and future courses will be targeted towards game development, which we do in Unity and Unity supports C#, which is why we will use C# in this course. Whenever we want to effectively communicate with someone, whether it is a computer or a human being, the requirement is that we explain it in a good way. If we can explain it in a good way, we can provide a solution to their problem. As they say, put yourself in someone else's shoes. For example, a doctor cannot instruct a patient in a good way until he has good knowledge about the patient. Similarly, if we want to instruct a computer, we must first understand how it works, its psychology, and how its memory relates to our memory. I am very passionate about this course. It is very close to me. I tried this course 6 years ago, but due to some personal problems, I was only able to make few videos and then had to stop. Now I am back again, and inshallah, we will make our programming skills so strong that every kind of development will be very easy for us. So buckle up and let's start this course from the next video. Take care of yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.